Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ka College Babatam na banta ka Jingpuli Nursing, but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo ha India but Shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka Baret, but Pila Banlet Puli, Daka Education Loan, Pila Urban Chukol hau number, Kandai Nyo, Sao Sao, San Rio Pranon, Lani, Kandai Pran Rio Laisan, Andri Way Kandai Pran. Ka Kanun Menteri Jong Sarkar Jillah ka Khatway Tri Unailar Arhajar Arpulai kala menjuri ka Jing Simrai jong ka North Eastern Electric Power Corporation ban Pyndam no ya ka Jing Thmu ban Chnai ka project Pynmih Bording ka basan spa megawatt Lingbao Dewyong lani ka thermal power project ha ka Jing akran bikila pathai ka bor Menteri Upapet ya katnat Sam Bording u Abu Tahir Mandal ule thu ba yakni ka kam la de panyakran ru batu Chief Managing Director jong ka Neepco Balong Ru Chief Managing Director jangka NTPC.
That Neepco has asked for scrapping the MOU which was signed on the 17th March 2011 for Garo Hills Thermal Power Project of 500 megawatt. The background is that now Neepco will be branded as the Clean Source Energy and Green Source Energy, and accordingly they don't want to continue with this project. We had discussion with the chairman of NTPC, who is also chairman of, CMD of NTPC, who is also CMD of Neepco. So in this discussion, they have requested that this program need to be scrapped. So accordingly, the cabinet has taken decision that this 500 megawatt thermal power project, which was awarded to Neepco, will be scrapped. For reimbursement of state and local taxes, GST. Actually, we are about to undertake one flagship program in the name of RDS, and there was an agreement, tripartite agreement between RSC representing the government of India and the government of Meghalaya, and also the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited. So on the part of CGST, that has been exempted by the government of India. So similarly, the state government got to exempt the CGST, GST part. So the decision has been taken, as in earlier cases. Today also decision taken that this will be exempted.